Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to do a Mediterranean fish soup. I'm Stubbs, welcome to my kitchen. Easy dish, really straightforward, will really impress your friends and family alike. Certainly my family love it, it's a standard for us. Let's get started. So ingredients then, fish pie mix. If you can buy fresh. There's no need to, we can just buy fish pie mix, that's absolutely fine. We've got some peeled, uncooked prawns, some unpeeled, uncooked prawns, look great on top of the dish. We've got some fennel, some peppers, tomato, garlic, onion, a little bit of lemon juice, and some Pernod. Only a slight amount of Pernod, really strong, but it does add to the fennel taste. So let's get stuck in. So let's get the pan on, nice and hot. A little bit of olive oil. Okay, olive oil in the pan. Now we're going to add the onions and garlic. Let's sweat them off a little bit. And we're going to add to that the fennel. Try and soften that up a little bit. Okay, that's sweated down a little bit now. Smells lovely. What we're going to do now is add the peppers in there and soften up the peppers a little bit. Obviously not my favourite pan, so you can't really see into this too well. I'm just going to soften that up a bit for a couple of minutes. Okay, so the peppers sweated down a little bit now. What we're going to do is add the Pernod. You don't need to add the Pernod, but it does give a little bit of another nice taste. Let's just cook down the alcohol. And then we're going to add the tomatoes. 400 grams of tomatoes. Chopped or fresh, but we add we'll let that in. Smells great already. Then we're going to add the same amount of stock, in this case fish stock, 400 mils. Keep a little bit aside just in case it gets a little bit too thick, but that's coming together lovely now. So a quick taste. Good time now to add the salt and pepper. Okay, so the sauce is pretty much ready now. What we're going to do is start to add the fish. Okay, so now just going to add the prawns. Fish is in. Add the prawns. These are the unshelled, uncooked. Add them in there. Give them a little stir. And obviously look at that. And the heat of the soup will cook those through really quickly. We've also got mussels to add as well. The mussels are literally 5 minutes in a separate pan, so we've done them separately because they're in a separate pan, funnily enough. So all that's left to do, I'm going to add a cheeky prawn that sneaked its way out of there, is to add the shelled prawns. And this is really finish off the dish. Okay, a couple of minutes and we'll be ready to dish. Start to warm the plates. Okay guys, job done. Just going to dish up. Really straightforward fish recipe, dead easy to do, a few ingredients. If you can get fresh, use fresh. If you can't, fish pie mix, most of the major supermarkets do that. Give it a try. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And next week we're definitely doing Thai cod. Even though there is no cod in Thailand, we're doing Thai cod. So watch out for that. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Hello, Pops.
And we're just going to pause there because I realise we haven't got the GoPro.